Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Monday, October 5th, 2020. Wildcats, this is the first day of face-to-face instruction for those students who chose face-to-face instruction. And so starting tomorrow, we will have student pledgers from Ms. Sebastian's class. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now our Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Wildcats, will you remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you, Wildcats. You may be seated. And now our Galena Park ISD safety statement. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected, at home, on the bus, and during the school day. If anyone at home, on the bus, or at school makes you feel unloved, unsafe, makes you feel disrespected, tell someone. Tell your coach, your nurse, your teacher, your parent, your counselor. Tell one of your principals. Let them know how you feel. And today, on this very special Monday, the 5th of October, we have two birthdays. Happy birthday to Gustavo D. and to Jose E. We wish you a happy, happy birthday. In the month of October, we have our character education theme, which in October are compassion and tolerance. Our quote of the day is taken from the text written by Buddha. If compassion does not include yourself, it is incomplete. Remember to be compassionate to others and also to yourself. Well, Wildcats, that wraps up our morning announcements. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me. We'll come back on this afternoon with some afternoon announcements, but with something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not. The choice is yours.